Hey everyone, so we've got another Lick Friday. Last week, apologies, I did miss that one, and you did get a jam with me video yesterday, so if you haven't seen that, go along and jam with me, so they're always good fun to do. This lick this week is in C minor. It's over like I think it was the John Mayer style track, which I posted a very long time ago now. And it's a cool track. It's fun. It's just nice and mellow. It meanders through, and it allows the changes of the song itself to complement your playing without too much trouble in the sense of licks. So you can really hold back or push forward. You're cool. Anyway, that's at the end. So the lick itself this week starts in shape 2 of the pentatonics, and I'm hoping that this is going to show you a different way to how you would normally play a lick through that pentatonic. So in other words, the formation of notes are kind of in more of an Eric Johnson formation. So yeah, if you don't know who Eric Johnson is, then check him out on Apple Music and stuff. Anyway, so, and then it moves into shape 1, and it comes down, and then it kind of uses different patterns as you come down. So it's not the same thing all the way through this one, so it's a nice combination of patterns through 3 different shapes. There we are. So please do like, share, subscribe, hit that bell button, and if you fancy it, there's like that super thanks button down there as well, which you can give a super thanks. Yeah, that's it. Lick coming up now. There we go. So I'm not going to waffle on too much at the moment. So it is shape 2, shape 1, and shape 3 in the key of C minor. If you don't know your pentatonics, then please learn those first. The pattern itself is something you can apply to all of your pentatonic shapes. So it's just a different way of going through. The track is at the end of the video. It's in C minor, so you can use C minor pentatonics, C minor natural minor, scales, the blues scale, and they are 3 kind of areas that you can use to make it sound amazing. The track is really easy to play over. It meanders through, it takes its own formation which complements the playing, whatever you're playing. So you could stay on the same note and still get nice tonal differences as you go through. Anyway, the breakdown coming up right now. Simple in the sense of the patterns. So we're shape 2. We're starting on the root note, which is on the D string on the 10th fret. I've got a hammer on to the 13, straight to the 12 on the 3rd string, straight to the 13 on that 2nd string. So this is the area where you wouldn't normally think. I hope you would not normally think, because then this is something new. But coming through the pentatonic like that, so instead of going, it's almost like you're using an arpeggio through there. Anyway, there we go. So after you've done 13 second string, it's the 11 second string, and then it's kind of down like a minor 7 arpeggio from that point. So that's the the 11 second string, the 12 on the 3rd, 13 on the 4th. Then we have, which is going to be the 12, 10 pull off on the 3rd string. Then you've got 13 picked, I think, can't remember, it might be a pull off, to the 10, and then slide down to the 8 on the 4th string. So it's like that on the next part, which is going to be 10, 8 pull off 3rd string, and then it's the 10, 8 either pull off or picked on the 4th string. So slowly now. Straight to the 10 on the 5th string, to the 10 on the 4th. Yeah, that was it. So nearly forgot. So when you've gone to the 10 on the 5th string, straight to the 10 on the 4th, down to the 8 on the 4th, 10 on the 5th, 8 fifth, slide that down to the 6 on the 5th, slide the 8 up to the 10 on the same string. On that last bit, we've gone so. Up to there, and then you end up with a slide, as I just said, from the 8 to the 10, and then that's the next part. So it's a slide 8 to 10, up, not up, back down to the 8 on that 5th string with a blues note coming in, which is the 9, so that's the F sharp, up to the G, which is going to be the 10th fret, all the way across to the 3rd string, 8th fret, and then you've got that pull off, which is from the 10, 8, 10, so that's your C, B flat, C. Kind of brings you into the root note, right? So I'm going to play the whole thing slow if I can remember it, because I've had a little bit of trouble remembering this one. Here we go. It goes like this. Through, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and that'll do you. Back over to me. Yeah, once again at the end, thanks very much for getting through the video. It's nice to do these Lick Fridays for me, for one thing, because it does keep me playing, which is always good, and it's nice to obviously get the positive comments from it as well, in the sense of people do enjoy them, they learn from them, and it seems to help, which is amazing. I know I've been going a long time with this, with very minimal views in the sense of how long it's been going, but if you could return the favour by me creating this video and share it on all your social media, there is that super thanks button down there as well, which you could give a super thanks if you so wish, no worries if not. And the Patreon page and the website is all there for you to look at, and the jamming track is coming up in just a second. Everything is linked below. Nice. I will see you all next week for Lick Friday. Can't remember what week we're on. 357 next week, 356 this week possibly, and there's another Jam With Me video coming up very soon. So there we are. See you all later.